Most of you guys think that to explore or to be a traveler is just only in the weekend. So today, let's take time and then enjoy our evening in Dubai. And one secret as traveler, wherever you are in the place you are, whether you are in Dubai, whether you are US, whether you are in Germany, take your time, like evening, 10 to 30 minutes, go to the place, explore and enjoy. Like today, I'm here at Dubai Creek. I'm in New Dubai, call it New Dubai. I'm going to the old Dubai. So guys, let's go in together, and remember, don't forget to subscribe, guys. The more you like, the more video go to many peoples, especially as traveler. So let's enjoy, guys. And I'm going to use less than $2 for this video. At the end of the video, I will give you the tips on how I make my travel itinerary, and don't need to flex the banks, guys. So here I'm at Dubai Creek. You see, I enjoy the evening view. I'm going to Old Dubai. So guys, enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'm new here, I'm new traveler, but my dream is that one day I will be at your place. Whether you are, just tell me where you are. I have a dream that one day I will visit your place in the world. Right now I'm done with 5 countries, and my dream is to finish 100 countries before 2030. So guys, enjoy my video. Let's go, guys.
Nepal.
So guys, I told you at the end of the video I will give you the tips of how I make my trips without breaking my banks. So first of all, I plan where I have to go, and I go search, use ChatGPT, use Google. Everything can help you search the place, like free places to visit in the place where you are. Maybe you are in Europe, you are in US, you are in Dubai, you are in Abu Dhabi, you are in Africa. So go on Google, search the place, the free place you can visit, and then check nearby you. So for me, the only expense like here I use, it's only boat, and it's experience I take, and also metro, because from where I live to here I use metro. So guys, all it's cost me 14 dirhams. 14 dirhams, it's almost like $3 to $4 USD. So guys, after you plan where you have to go, and then see if it's nearby you, if you can walk, if you can take public transport. I always consider public transport as traveler. And the next thing is I have to visit as much as I can. It's not even take 1-2 hours or 3 hours, depends on the time you have. You can visit, you can explore the world. Can you imagine the time you will be coming back home and then you say, this place, I supposed to go to this place, now I'm going to pay like flight to go there, and I was there. So guys, let's support each other. If you like this content, help me, just like the content, and then it can go everywhere. And do subscribe. I'm new, but we can enjoy the world together. This is 2026 and we are 2,000 subscribe. I want to reach to 5,000 this year. Let's enjoy the world. Here is Dubai Al Sif, or Dubai. I'm going back to my place, Dubai downtown. So you see there it's New Dubai. I'm going to take boat to Dubai Creek and then take metro. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for enjoying the place.